Ahoy, everyone! Skipper Catherine here with the Plainsman Museum, and we're getting ready to set sail for this year's Go Big Give campaign. As we're preparing to join this year's convoy, we also wanted to share with you all some very important information about some changes that are being made to this year's giving protocol. So all hands on deck! Here's what you need to know in order to tie up your gift into a nice, secure sailor knot for this year's Go Big Give campaign. As many of you already know, Go Big Give is a 24-hour online giving event to grow philanthropy for nonprofits in Hall, Hamilton, Howard, and Merritt counties. As an online giving event, this year's giving can only be navigated online, meaning we will be unable to accept checks or cash brought to the museum this year. Instead, all donations must go through the Go Big Give online channel on their website in order to be counted towards our campaign. Here's how to navigate your online giving. Number 1. Go to gobiggive.org. Number 2. Click on the Discover tab in the upper left-hand corner of the home page. Number 3. Click on Find a Cause. Number 4. In the search bar, type in Plainsman Museum. An option for the Plainsman Museum and Hamilton County Historical Society should appear underneath the search bar for you to click on. Number 5. Click on the Donate button and follow the prompts to fill in the amount you want to donate, as well as your debit or credit card information, email address, etc., like how you would for online shopping. Number 6. Once your donation has been processed, a tax receipt will be sent to your email, and a confirmation acknowledgement will be sent to our email at the Plainsman Museum. Early online giving will begin on Monday, April 27, 2026. Go Big Give Day itself will be on Thursday, May 7, 2026, and will last until 11:59 p.m. It will be during this day that matching funds and prizes will be given as online donations are made, so tune in to our Go Big Give profile throughout the day to see how our giving progresses throughout the day. Thank you in advance for your generous giving this year, and we hope this information has been helpful to you as we prepare to set sail. If you have any further questions about how you can donate online to the Plainsman Museum's Go Big Give campaign this year, please contact us directly by phone at 402-694-6531 or email us at plainsman@hamilton.net, and we will have one of our crew members help you out. Thank you all again, and may fair winds always be at your back. All aboard!